Friends, we hope that you are all well. So friends, in today's video, we will share 3 special signs with you about the recognition of sexual desires, from the facial structures of women in terms of psychology. 3 signs of recognizing a woman's sexual and physical desires from facial structure. Number 1, a woman's nose being long and thick is an indication of her lower part being long and thick. Longer nose is an indication of her power part being deep. Which means as if a woman's nose is taller and fatter, her lower part will be as deep and fatter. Number 2, a narrow and short mouth of a woman is an indication of a narrow and short bottom, and a thick lip of a woman is an indication of a thick bottom. And the thinness of the lips in a woman is the reason for the thinness of the lower part end. Moreover, more hair on the upper lip is an argument for more hair on the lower part of a woman. Number 3, the woman who has thick eyes. So this woman has a lot of sexual desire. A woman with black eyes has very little sexual desire, that is, such a woman suffers from a lack of lust. In addition to this, the red and puffy eyes of a woman show that they have lust in them. There is evidence of excess and redness of the lower part, and a man falls in love with a woman with such smoky eyes. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.